Mr. Chair, my question, I would like to address my question to Yusek Cabral. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, meron po kasing lumabas na ngayon lang na report na sinasabi po dito, noong 2016 up to 2025, meron daw pong 87.1B na insertion ang Davao City. Pwede po ba pakikumpirma po ninyo to?
For accuracy, Mr. Chair, of my response, I have to check the records in the office because I do not have the data. I cannot confirm those numbers, and I'll have to check with the records, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you. Now, dito po sa 2016 to 2025, 48.4B noong pong taong 2019 to 2021. That is 60% of the 81.1B na infra project for that period. Pwede po ba paki-confirm po ito?
Again, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, I have to check the records to be
okay,
accurate.
ito pong may lumabas po dito sa Politico. DPWH confirms 51B allocation to Paulo Duterte's district in last 3 years of Rodi's term. Ito po ba totoo?
May I know the date?
Kayo po ang nakalagay dito na nag-confirm yun. DPWH Undersecretary Maria Catalina Cabral. Kayo po ba to?
Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so kino-confirm po ninyo?
Again, I have to check, Your Honor, because I am not accurate. I'm not certain about the number on the published news of Politico, Your Honor.
Ayan po, may nakalagay pa po dito na base sa report ng aming programming division, we confirm na yung pong mga amount na nabanggit ninyo noong 2020, 2021, 2022, based po sa National Expenditure Program ng DPWH at yung pong General Appropriation Act o GAA sa distritong ito ay tama po and we confirm those budget. Ano po masasabi niyo dito?
Again, Your Honor, I no longer recall, so I have to confirm with the records in the office, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Okay. And dito po sa 51 billion, based sa record po, at based din dito sa newspaper na, dito po sa